Hiya, today I'd like to show you how we can use our Tattered Lace hot foiling machine with our toner sheets, and you can use your dies to create your own custom foiled embellishments for your cards and other projects of course. So our toner sheets come in A4, you can cut them down to size to whatever size you like, and you can also die cut them, which is what I've done here. So I've taken some of our Tattered Lace dies. These are from the Whimsical World of Silhouettes collection. We've got a couple of fairies from the Fairy Gathering, and we've got a few leaves, which from the Skeleton Leaves set. We've also got a little butterfly, which is also from the Fairy set. And what we are able to do by die cutting our toner sheets, and that's what this is, it's just a toner sheet that's been die cut. It die cuts as you would normally any normal piece of card, so it die cuts really easy, and we can of course use our intricate Tattered Lace dies with these toner sheets. And what we can do is we can actually use our foil and our foiling machine to foil these images so we can get our own foiled die cuts. So what I've done is I've turned on my Tattered Lace foiling machine. When it's up to temperature, which will take a few minutes, and you'll feel it does get quite warm, so do take a little bit of care. The ready light here will go green, and that enables us to know that it's ready to be foiled with this machine. So what I've done is I've taken a piece of white cardstock just to protect my carrier sheet, and this is the carrier sheet. So it's just a little plastic wallet that we pop our foiling into to protect it as it goes through the machine. So I'm opening up that pouch, placing in my white piece of cardstock. Now that's just a piece of scrap card, it doesn't need to be any particularly fancy special type of card at all. And I'm just arranging my die cut pieces from the toner sheet onto that cardstock. And then taking some foil. So I've taken this roll of foil and I've just easily cut it down to size, this fantastic rose gold foil, so that it'll cover the fairies. Now the fairies are facing upwards, the right way up, and we need to do the same with our foil. So we lay that over the top with the pretty side facing up. As we can see, there's two sides to the foil, the side that we don't particularly want to see and the side that we do want to see. So the side that we do want to see is facing upwards. Then all we do is we close our pouch like so, and we're just going to off this up to the machine. So then we'll feel that the foiling machine actually takes this pouch and starts feeding it through. Now we know this is up to temperature, as the ready button there did just go green, and you will find it is quite warm on the top of the machine, so do take a little bit of care. Now this is just being fed through the machine, and it'll come out the other side, and then we can reveal the foiled design. Now I chose these dies to foil with today. Of course you can be using any dies you would like. Just simply take your toner sheets, cut it down to size, whatever size you like, and just die cut it as you would any normal piece of card, and then you can create your own foiled designs using any of the dies that you've already got in your stash. So it would work really nicely with silhouette dies like I've chosen here, but it would also look fantastic with sentiment dies. So perhaps you've got some wedding invites to make and you've got a congratulations on your wedding day sentiment that you'd like foiled, and that would look absolutely fantastic using this technique. And as you can see, it's really quick, easy and simple to do. You can get lots of interesting effects. I've chosen this lovely rose gold foil to show you today, but you could be using any foil you'd like. So I've used this gold foil. As long as it's one of the foils that's compatible with our Tattered Lace foiling machine, it's also going to work with these toner sheets. So just passing that through the machine, as you can see it's nearly finished now. As it comes out the other end, do just take a little bit of care, as when it does come out of the machine, this carrier sheet will be fairly warm, so perhaps leave it a minute or two just to cool down. Then all we're going to do is open up the pouch. So you can see we've got this piece of white cardstock that we just added in to protect our foiling pouch. That can be reused for anything we'd like. I'm going to remove this piece of foil, and as you can see our die cuts are stuck to the reverse side, so now it's time for the big reveal. So just gently peel off your die cuts, and as you can see what we've got is we've got these beautiful die cut designs that have been foiled using this fabulously opulent rose gold foil. So it gives you a really luxurious and special finish to any of your die cuts. You can see just removing them from the foil, and you could be reusing some of this foil, so there's no waste whatsoever with this foiling machine. And there we have it. We've die cut our toner sheets, we've added some foil to our die cuts, we've run it through our machine, and that's what we get. We get our own custom die cut foiled embellishments.